Hey everyone, we are doing an open house here today. So I just wanted to show it, put it out here on Facebook and YouTube. Realtors, you're doing a great job sending your clients over. I've had many who have signed in and wrote your name, so I'll be reaching out to you later. Thank you so much. So I just wanted to do a little video just to kind of show you the property. I know we have availability on the showing time, so I'm trying to make it as easy for everybody as possible. Show you the roof. So there's the ceiling. Property was built in 1992, around 1,500 square feet. The lot is excellent, it's 0.7 acres. We have nice built-ins. There's a nice sitting area in the kitchen area. You have good flooring in this house. We have actual hardwood in several of the rooms. So you can see there's some built-ins over there in the corner, French doors leading out to your screen porch. You have a deck beside it. There's a realtor and their clients in the backyard, so I'm not going to be going out there. Got a nice fireplace. We'll go to the master bedroom. We have the hardwoods in here, which is nice. Got a nice size closet. Private bathroom. There's the flooring. So it's a tub shower in there. So let's look at the other two bedrooms. So the bedrooms are split, and the other two bedrooms are going to share the bathroom and the hall. Again, some hardwoods here, some more built-ins here. A bigger window up front. You have a porch in the front, a ramp, wide door. So therefore, if you have someone who may in the future or currently is on a wheelchair, we do have a ramp. Let's see if I can, right there, it's in good shape. So again, good flooring, good sized bedrooms. Both bedrooms, this one may be a little bit bigger, but they're both pretty similar. So come on out. Again, I'm going to be out here 10 to noon, but if you have a client who really needs to see it to make an offer, let me know, because I may stay out a little bit longer. Maybe doing an open house tomorrow as well. I'm going to be talking with the people in the property just to see what works best. But again, come out or have your clients come out and see me. Have them write your name on the sign-in sheet just so that, you know, we're all communicating great. I'll talk to you soon. And again, this one is priced at $109,700. We have it set for showings between on Saturday and Sunday, 10 to 6. And then we're looking for best offers Monday at 4 o'clock. I'll talk to you soon. Bye. And this one is in Lexington, 29073 zip. Pretty close to the White Knoll High School. Nice area. I mean, of course, drive by and check out the area for yourself. But a lot of positives about this. New heating and air unit. Plumbing underneath has been done. Come on out, guys.